Chapter 14 Yojakah Tatra Durlabhah. It is difficult to get an administrator there. Hello students, how are you?
Hello, teacher. We are fine, teacher.
Nice. Students, do you like to hear the story?
Yes, teacher. We like to hear the story.
Nice. Listening to the story is loved by everyone from young one to old age person. Stories abound in most of the world's languages. That's why many stories have been written in Sanskrit literature. So let me tell you a beautiful story. Yojakah Tatra Durlabhah in Sanskrit language. Ekah Ustrah Asti. There is a camel. Ustrah Swabhaven Vakrah Asti. By nature, the camel is crooked, means fault finder. Sah Sarvada Dosham Eva Pashyati. It always sees only the faults. Ekada Sah Vane Atati. Once it is roaming about in the jungle. Marge Sah Vrukshasya Upari Ekam Shukam Pashyati. On the way, it sees a parrot on a tree. Ustrah Shukai Kathayati, Hey Shuk. The camel says to the parrot, O parrot, Tava Chanchuhu Vakra Asti. Your beak is crooked. Shukah Lajjam Anubhavati. The parrot feels ashamed. Ustrah Hasati Agre Chalati. The camel laughs and goes forward. Marge Sah Kukuram Pashyati. On the way, it sees a dog. Ustrah Kukurai Kathayati. Hey Kukuram. The camel tells the dog, O dog, Tau Puchham Vakram Asti. Your tail is crooked. Kukurah Lajjam Anubhavati. The dog feels ashamed. Ustrah Hasati Agre Chalati. The camel laughs and goes ahead. Marge Bakah Asti. On the way, it meets a crane. Bakam Drashtava Ustrah Vadati. Tau Griva Vakra Asti. On seeing the crane, the camel says, Your neck is crooked. Bakah Ustram Prati Pashyati Apina. The crane does not even look at the camel. Marge Shrugalah Milati. On the way it, camel meets a fox. Shrugalah Puchhati. Ustra Bhratah Katham Asti. The fox asks, O brother camel, how is it? Swasthayam Samichinam Va. Is your health all right? Ustrah Vadati. Swasthayam Samichinam. Kintu Anyat Kimapi Samichinam Nasti. The camel says, My health is all right, but nothing else is all right. Shukasya Chachuhu Vakra. Kukurasya Puchham Vakram. Bakasya Griva Vakra. The parrot's beak is crooked. The dog's tail is crooked. The crane's neck is crooked. Shrugalah Vadati. The fox says, Shukasya Chanchuhu Vakra Kintu Saha Manushyawanim Vaktum Shaknoti. The parrot's beak is crooked, but it can speak in the language of human beings. Kukurasya Puchham Vakram Kintu Saha Swami Bhaktah Asti. The dog's tail is crooked, but it is faithful to its own master. Bakasya Griva Vakra Kintu Tasya Ekagrata Prachalita. The crane's neck is crooked, but its concentration is well known. Bhavatah Sarvani Angani Vakrani Santi Kintu Bhavan Marubhumyaha Nirupah Asti. All your body parts are also crooked, but you are the king of the desert. Apicha Tesham Chanchoho Puchhasya Grivayaha Cha Prayojanam Asti Nirarthakam Nasti. And also, there is some intention, use of their beak, tail, and neck. Nothing is useless. Amantram ksharam. Nasti nasti. Mulam noshadam. There is no word which is not a mantra. There is no root which is not a medicine. Ayogyah purusho nasti. Yojagstatra durlabha. There is no man who is incapable, unfit. In that matter, it is difficult to find an administrator. Students, are you having fun listening to the story of animals in Sanskrit language?
Yes, teacher.
Nice, students. Make a list of all the animals and birds you see in your village area and note down their characteristics.